What's up guys, Ivan here and welcome to Geneva International Motor Show 2019, and this is my first video. So this is Mercedes-AMG S65 Final Edition. So this is limited edition special S65 from Mercedes-AMG from Volterbach, and only 130 vehicles will be made. So this is last model from V12 engine. So this car will be made exclusively in obsidian black color, and it has matte bronze details in front bumper, and also wheels multi-spoke design are in this matte bronze color. So just take a look at these wheels and Michelin tires, Pilot Sport 3, and then you can see the tire size. V12 by turbo badge on the front fender, and detail side skirt also in the bronze matte color, and these beautiful wheels. I just really like this color combination. So let's take a look at the back of the car. You can see the Volterbach logo on the C-pillar. So you know immediately that this is a special edition vehicle. On the back you can see AMG emblem, the Mercedes emblem, and the S65 emblem. So really beautiful car, and last V12 engine car. So at the back we can see the rear diffuser, also with this matte bronze detail, and tail lamps, the characteristic for S-Class. So let me know if you like this color with these bronze details. I really like it in person. Looks really great and premium. And also guys, make sure you subscribe for plenty more videos from Geneva Motor Show. I covered really lot of cars, a lot of Mercedes-AMG cars. So let's take a look at the interior of this car. So it has carbon fiber decor, fully electric adjustable seats, Burmester sound system. So pretty much you have everything what Mercedes offers. AMG emblem on the door trim, illuminated. So this is a collector vehicle because only 130 will be made. So let's jump inside and take a look at the interior. So this is the new AMG steering wheel with beautiful S65 Final Edition emblem on the lower part of the steering wheel. So this is 12-inch display. It's only in the show mode right now, but you control with left touchpad this display. You see V12 by turbo sign, and with right touchpad you control the command system in the middle. So you have really nice decor inside, also IWC watch in the middle, and quilted leather on the dashboard. So this is a sun visor in leather. So everything is really nice and everything is in leather. These door handles also on the top. Burmester speaker on the top of the car, on the roof. So this is a plaque, Final Edition, one of 130 AMG. You have two cup holders. And this armrest has a charging pad for your phone and some USB-A ports and SD card slot. And you can open it also from the passenger side. So these seats are the best seats, most comfortable seats which Mercedes offers. And this is a glove compartment with perfume diffuser. So these are some hot keys in the middle tunnel of the car. Soft close mechanism. Now let's take a look at the engine space. So this engine is hand-built, one man, one engine, black badge. And it has a carbon decor. So this engine is V12 bi-turbo engine and produces 630 horsepower, 1000 Newton meters of torque. And this is the last V12 engine, so it will be a collector car. And it has an AMG driver package for top speed 300 kilometers per hour. So at the rear seats, let's take a look. You have a carbon decor as well. Fully electric seats with really comfortable headrest. AMG logo. So let's sit in the back. Take a look at the front, how it looks from the back. Let's close the door. It looks just majestic, really beautiful. So here you can see some cup holders also. They are heated or cooled, so they can heat or cool your drink. And you have also some outlets, some sockets, 12 volt. Volterbach logo emblem on the back armrest, and inside you have like folding tables, also USB ports. So let's unfold this table. I couldn't open it fully because the front passenger seat was really to the back, but you can open it fully and place there like a notebook or something. And you can also store it back inside with this way. Really interesting feature, I really like it. So let's close the armrest. And here you have also TV multimedia screen as a passenger in the rear. A really soft pillow on the headrest. Take a look how soft it is. You can easily fall asleep there. And you can also recline seat to the back so you have more comfort. On the top you can see panoramic roof, and in the middle is a speaker, Burmester, and also you have this cosmetic mirror, illuminated of course and wrapped in leather. Also the ceiling is in leather, and also this handle and little light. So really beautiful finish from Mercedes. And also this seat belt has an airbag, so you have more safety. Fully electric seats. So let's open the door. Now let's close them and check the soft close, how it works. Works great. One more time, the Flutterbuck emblem, special edition. So let's take a look at the boot space. So immediately you can see that there is less space because of the refrigerator. So you can have a refrigerator accessed from the rear seats. There is also a little net on the side and speaker on the left side. So let's close the boot. Just beautiful color, obsidian black, only available in this color, this special edition, and pointed star and the bonnet. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know if you liked it, and of course subscribe for plenty more videos from Geneva Motor Show. And if you like it, please give this video a like, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a great day!